सबसे पहले तो many congratulations Big Boss 14 के लिए. So सबसे पहले तो ये जानना चाहूंगी कि जान किस तरह you got a call and किस तरह का reaction था आपका?
So I got the call from Big Boss during the lockdown actually, and I've been a very avid follower of the show for a very long time. I've watched all the seasons of Big Boss. So मतलब generally एक मुझे attraction and fascination has always been there for this show because it's everyone's, you know, it's one of the biggest shows in the country and even the world perhaps, I feel. So I've always been a fan of the show, and when I got the call, I was very excited. It took me a bit of time to register the fact that, you know, I've been called to the Big Boss house. So I was very excited and nervous also, and I had my discussion with my mom and my brothers regarding, you know, the entire scenario as to कैसे हम approach करें इस चीज को, should we go ahead with it or no, because the kind of setting that a Big Boss house has generally, it's very, you know, it's very tensed. It's a lot of tension that's built up over the, you know, few days, and there are these situations that do not really, you know, they're not really normal. So we had to like take decisions based on everything that, you know, is this a good idea, is this not a good idea, how do we go about it and all. But once we all, like, you know, we discussed everything, the ultimate decision was to go for it because again, it's Big Boss. So
Yes, of course. और एक ऐसा शो जिसे टेलीविजन का सबसे कंट्रोवर्शियल शो कहा जा रहा है. So हाँ कहने के पहले, you know, ऐसी कोई जिटरी कोई फीलिंग थी कि, you know, whether should I go for it or not, या मैं मेंटली, बिकॉज इसमें स्ट्रांग होने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है, जैसे कि हम देखते आ रहे हैं इतने सीजन.
there was as I told you, we had a long discussion regarding the same, and post that we decided, like, we took in all the pros and cons about, you know, everything that is going to be happening in the Big Boss house, and like, you know, whatever is going to जैसा मतलब जो भी बेसिकली हो सकता है हमारे से, एंड क्या क्या सिनेरियोज में हम रहेंगे, मैं रहूंगा रादर, वो सब सोचकर we decided that this is going to be something that I think I would want to do because I've been watching the show very closely. Yeah, so we decided on this entire thing after taking into consideration, you know, the kind of tasks, the kind of situations that the house demands, and given the kind of, you know, the kind of platform that Big Boss is, I don't think many people are lucky enough to be called into the house, you know. I felt like this is a once in a lifetime opportunity and I would definitely like to make the most of it.